Winston Technology Center. This is a factory in one of the most beautiful locations in the world. I call it the most beautiful factory within our network.
Our goal is look beautiful, feel beautiful, stay beautiful, and that's literally fall with our mission. Winning the best site of the year was the achievement for us, for all of our 400 employees. We each and every 400 headcount was contributed in this achievement.
We're really investing in the future, so I think that speaks a lot to the employees. A company that is going to spend the money on making sure that they have not only a beautiful place to work, but a safe place to work.
In fiscal year 2025, we had close to 700,000 hours with 0 TRIR, which is our total recordable incident rate. Employees did not go home injured.
We are dedicated to providing our current and future employees with comprehensive learning experiences that will help enhance their skill set and foster innovation.
Our business supports the growing fleet of our gas turbine with new component and repaired component. We supply almost 60% of the components needed to keep the fleet running worldwide. And as such, our business has two distinct production units. One is the new component production, the other one is repaired component productions.
We've got a great engineering organization, we've got a great production organization. We continue to add 4- and 5-axis machines as necessary, as well as new measurement techniques.
Our dedicated team harnesses cutting-edge technologies to repair gas turbine components. It's an exciting thing to take apart from a service run condition, bring it into the shop, strip it down of all its coatings, run all the processes to get that part repaired, put the thermal barrier coatings back on it, and then send that back to our customers so they can run another interval. Both saves time and money for the company, and that's what we love to do here at Winston Technology Center.
And then we have steam turbine as a separate business working for Transformation of Industries business division.
We were set up to be just a single stage turbine facility, and we've proven that we can do a lot more and a lot bigger things. We've got success this year. We made Black Zero. So that says, we went from startup to where we are now in 5 years, which is a pretty good story.
We have recently inaugurated additive manufacturing facility. Now this technology integrates well into all 3 product lines that we have and forms an integral link in how we maximize our efficiency on lead time and cost.
At Siemens Energy, we employ several different technologies that we call additive manufacturing. And here in this facility, we're going to have several machines doing laser powder bed fusion, also wire arc additive manufacturing, and direct energy deposition.
We are super proud of the technologies that we have, but at the end, it is all about people.
Together, we will transform the future of energy.
Together, we will transform the future of energy.
Together, we will transform the future of energy.
Together, we will transform
The future
Of energy.